Okay, so ready now? Let's check. Let's check, let's start. Okay, here, Lynn, you look at the look at the picture, read the sentence, put a tick or cross in it. Oh, where's my picture? Sorry, Lynn, I forgot. Okay, there you go. Okay, done. What is that? Okay, this is an onion. The answer is cross. Why the answer is cross? Because this is a carrot. It's not an onion. Okay. Next here. Oh, you answer 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, please read. What's the answer?
This is a cross. This is a technology cross. This is a little.
Okay, let's check. This is a plane. The answer is correct. Oh, this is a plane? Look at the picture, Lynn. Okay, what's the answer, Lynn? What is the plane? Is it a plane? It's not a plane. What is it? It's a... Okay, it's a lorry. It's a truck or a lorry. Number 3. This is a giraffe. Is it not a giraffe? What's your answer? Or try to review your answer. Review your answer. Okay, done. All right, so here we go. Number 3, this is a giraffe. It's a tick, correct? Next, number 4, this is a watermelon. It's still a tick. Number 5, this is a letter. It's cross. Very good, Lynn. Oh, you changed answer. Now, Lynn, why do you think number 5 is X? Okay, because this is a number. It's not a letter. Okay. Here, you write yes if it's in the picture, no if it's not. Okay, go. Okay, please read now your answer. Read sentence 1 to 5 and tell me your answer. Go first.
The phone is on the floor. No. The
Next.
woman is sitting on the sofa. Yes. There
Next.
are some flowers in the garden. Yes. A girl
Next.
is playing the piano. Yes. A
Next.
mouse is running under the table. Yes.
Okay, let's check. The phone is on the floor. The answer is no, correct. Where is the phone, Lynn?
The
Where's the
phone's
phone?
the phone's is on the table.
Very good. The phone is on the table. Next, the woman is sitting on the sofa. The answer is yes, correct. Next, there are some clothes in the garden. The answer is yes, correct. Next, we have number 4, a girl is playing the piano. Yes, is correct. Number 5, a mouse is running under the table. Yes, correct answer. Great work. Okay, good job. Okay, here. Lynn, try to arrange the letters to form the correct word, Lynn. Go, Lynn.
Dominant.
Okay, the first word is a doll. How do you spell doll? D-O?
D-O-L-L.
Okay, good job. Correct. Next, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Go.
Dominant.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
Type. Robot. Guitar. Computer.
Okay, we have kite, robot, guitar, and computer. Let's check. Number 2 is kite, correct. 3, robot, R-O-B-O-T, correct. Next, guitar, G-U-R-T-A-R, correct. 5, computer, C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Great work, Lynn. Perfect. Okay, next here, number or part 4 of the reading and writing. Go.
Drunkenness.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
In
In
photos, and blue, green, or red. It was sitting to me on the beach. There are lots of beautiful shells on the beach too. Fish and small fish swim in me under the water. People can go only in the boat. Some children like walking next to me and they eat and dry cream. I have a friend. They like swimming and playing with a ball in me too. What am I? I am the sea.
Okay, let's check now your answer. So we have here the sea. In photo, I look blue, green, or gray. People sit next to me on the beach. Next, there are lots of beautiful. The answer is shells, correct, on the beach too. Big and small fish swim in me under the water, correct. Next, people can go in me in a boat, correct. Some children like walking next to me and they eat ice cream or have a drink, correctly. And they like swimming and playing with a ball in me too. Okay, okay. Now here, very good. Lynn, look at here. Look at this part of the reading and writing. You did great. All the answers here are all correct. Very good, Lynn. It means, Lynn, that you understand. Your comprehension is quite good. Okay, good job for you, Lynn. Great work. Okay, was it easy or not? How was it, Lynn? It's easy for you. Great work, Lynn, because you did great in answering those. So I think you just got mistake in the listening because you just changed it. Okay, of instead of check, you put X, right? But you know what you're doing, right? You just mistakenly put the wrong symbol for that. But then, Lynn, great work for you because you did great in today's class. All right. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class, Lynn. Goodbye. Great work. Okay, see you again. Have a nice night. Bye-bye.